YouTube. Got me doing this bumper repair on this 2022 Hyundai Elantra, I guess. Cracked bumper. I raised, sanded it, filled it. So I'll get back to y'all in a hot second. After this drive, sand it down. YouTube, I ended up sanding it, but it was cracking to it, so I ended up putting some fiberglass on there and putting it in behind it. It's only hairline cracks, but let this dry out, the sand is down. Alright, YouTube, I got it all primed and fixed. I just gotta get this overspray prime off. Yep. Alright, bumper back from the paint. We all good. Yep, gotta put that on. Put the rear bumper on. And